Okay, so this is OneNote that we have open here that we use to create this project of a trip book for a day or 24 hours spent in Oslo, Norway. Over on the left part here, you can have your different tabs open or your different projects. So we're here on my trip book. And then up at the top, you have the different tabs for the basically like chapters of your book. So we're starting with the first one, which is the intro to our trip in Oslo, Norway. And if we go to the next tab, it's Oslo in a day. So this is the 24 hours that you spend in Norway, and it goes through starting with as soon as you get to Oslo and all the way through the day, where you're going to stay, your hotel, getting some breakfast and coffee, some sightseeing things, has a list of opening hours and prices, and these links go to, let's see if we click on this, they go to the actual website that opens right up in your web browser. And if we go back to OneNote, some of the links are also for maps. So if we click on this one, it takes you to the map of where that tourist activity is. So we get all the way through our day, sightseeing, dinner, and then out at night. If we look up here, go to the next one, time to eat and drink. It's kind of a summary of the places that we want to go eat or have some drinks while we're in Oslo for a day, with their, again, links to their actual website, the address, telephone, email if they had it listed, and their opening hours. And then I added this last tab to show some pictures of Norway. The classic Viking ship there on the left, and the harbor, the old church, and classic Norway photos. And you can add more tabs. If you wanted to add more details about the trip or activities, you just add a new section. Put your title in here. And the really cool thing about OneNote is that you can click anywhere. Like, what makes it different from Word or something like that is that you can add text anywhere. So I can click way over here and put it here, or in the middle of the page, anywhere I want. To show you an example, if we go to time to eat and drink, let's scroll down to the bottom and add a new one. So I'm just going to click here, and then let's go to our browser, and I found this one, Wallman's. So I'm going to copy that, and then back to OneNote, paste it right in here. And it gives you some options on formatting if you want to keep it the same or keep the text only. So I'm going to keep it the same. And when you paste something from the internet, it automatically comes up with the link to it, pasted from. So you always have that reference. But I'm actually going to delete that. And then I could do the same thing, add in the info about address and opening hours if I wanted to do that. And then to get this picture in here, it's really easy. You put your mouse right wherever you want the picture to end up. And if you go up here to Insert on the menu at the top, then you click on Screen Clipping. And it automatically takes you back to your internet browser, and you can see the page kind of dimmed, and you have this cursor that you can select whatever you want, text, picture, anything on the entire page. And when you let go, it automatically brings it back to OneNote in the spot where you left your mouse. So now that it's in here, I can resize it. I can move it around. We'll make it match the rest of them. Put it over here. And done. If you look up here, there's a million more features for this. You can insert pictures from your own computer, tables, you can record audio and video and put those in here. There's a draw tab at the top, so you can write your own text by hand or draw like I did. Let's go back here. These arrows, I wrote that word fun, and then these arrows between the activities was from this draw feature. So you can draw, and they have highlights and shapes. Review, your normal review stuff, spell check, and then different ways to view it. So really easy to use. This was my first time using OneNote, and I caught on pretty quickly. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it's really easy to use, just that you can click anywhere and add whatever you want on any part of the screen. So that's it.